Hello everybody and welcome back to another economic FX setup. My name is still Damagalt from good old Germany. On Tuesday the 9/17th 007 Central European time. Here we go with an economic FX setup, and today with today with the euro dollar. Okay, throughout this week euro dollar, very interesting technical setup. Here we see after summer news that he will not be the new Fed chef. Here we saw the gap, and it seems like that the gap will be closed by another crossways. Is closed yet, and here we are trading right now at 1.3334 in euro dollar. However, all in all, I will prefer the short side euro dollar throughout this week. Very heavy week, very interesting week. We've got here current account trade balance, or we have got here CPI in Europe today, and Italian trade balance, and press conference for Mario Draghi today. I tweet it, read it, analyze it, and all in all, I would after that prefer to. Well, I don't see a reason to buy the euro, but I see a reason if you're a bull to buy the dollar. Last days dollar yellow or slightly red zone. In my opinion, not reason to buy, but here we saw today the industrial production today came out. And we saw here it was round about the highs in the euro dollar in the trading session on Monday. The interesting point is a fact, not only less, if we put this together in a context with technical analysis, here it was exact here round about the highs of August, inclusive the highs of September. Here we saw September highs, gap opened, create a new high, September high in euro dollar, and then as industrial production came out, we touched here the August high and fall down. So after this, into this heavy week today, or this week, heavy week, we've got here, we have tomorrow current account trade balance in Europe, German economic sentiment, European session, then US session, CPI core and all CPI, and then on Wednesday, of course, FOMC day, statement, funds rate decision, economic projections, and the press conference. So big day tomorrow, Wednesday, much bigger day. On Thursday also, as US dollar unemployment claims, existing home sales, and Philly Fed manufacturing index. So there are a lot of data input Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Friday, we've got European consumer confidence and free speaks of FOMC members George, Tarullo, and Bullard. So all in all, it's a big week for the Fed or for the US dollar, and a decision week, in my opinion. And here, if we let the data out from technical point of view, we see here, you can watching here, if I zoom a little bit, here today. Here came the data out, and it was roundabout, it was even as the industrial production came out. So from this point of view, here, let's put it together, another template. Here we are, yes. Okay, zoom a little bit. So all in all, I don't see a reason to buy the euro, but here, I don't see a reason to buy the euro. So I would, for the US dollar, I was pretty neutral after the reaction of the market of last Friday before, but maybe here, if you're even a bull or have enough courage, I thought about it all day. I would starting here to buy dollar against the euro, even sell euro dollar at this price levels. Okay, and the trading capability is even 133.34 right here right now. Short euro dollar, take the stop. However, your risk appetite is lately, I would lately take the stop here in the sideways trend channel of today after summer's news came out. So here 133.17. So we've got here an 35, 36 pips to the downside here above the short opportunity, and then we will see what will happen. So I don't think that tomorrow the euro data will be so strong that the market or the many market participants are starting to buy euro. The same on Tuesday. On Tuesday afternoon here in Europe, even in the morning in the US, when the CPI data came out, I don't think that the data will be so bad that that many market participants will sell the dollar. So all in all, that could be a good entry even into Wednesday if we've got a Goldilocks scenario. And then I don't think that Mr. Bernanke will sell the dollar. Will tell us something that the whole market will, or that the dollar will get under pressure. Let me explain it by its way. Yes, I don't expect it today. Okay, and on Thursday we will have the data, unemployment claims, existing loan, Philly Fed, and on Friday this 3 Fed member. So all in all, it could be a good entry week for the dollar. So not only here in the euro dollar, also in the another dollar cross rates. So that's my opinion here at the start of the week. Okay, I'm hoping you can follow my conclusions. And once again, here from a technical point of view, yes, here we go. 133.33 right here right now at 0.15 Central European time. I would sell euro dollar, take the stop at least 130.17, 30 points, 36 points, yes, above. Target is here, close the gap, 133, and here break also down the sideways trend. So maybe into the end of this week or next week, 132 and lower. And if we got here this Goldilocks scenario, then we would have, if we will have support even with the data. So 2 reasons. No bad data from the US, no bad projections from the Fed. I'm thinking that will come. Even also support from the other FOMC member. So all in all, this week could be a good entry week for the US dollar throughout this week. So let's get started tonight. Asia session, even in the euro dollar with 133.33 here at, and take the stop by 133.70. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for spending your time. Have a great morning, day or night, wherever and whenever you're watching my FX setups. Okay, guys. Goodbye, guys. Bye-bye.